And you'll notice as well that once you get to this stage, all of the buttons are in the same place each time you go up the machine.
Yeah.
So that you know exactly, you haven't got to keep finding where the reverse is and the on-off
It's
button.
also got a really good light as well, I've noticed.
Yeah, they've improved
really
the lights.
good light.
They've improved the lights on all of them.
Yeah, because that's what I find on sewing retreats. Quite often you have people that come along and they put their extra light on it, but you don't need that with these because you've literally got a light right there.
It's really, when you're in the right position for sewing, you know, you can see everything there.